welcome back to my channel. We are in phase 3 and making some big decisions here. So phase 1, perfection, satisfaction, just delicious, enjoying fruit again. Phase 2 is going really well also, and I'm getting ready to transition. And I've decided to obviously have to start tracking because as you incorporate food and things, you just can't go off the handle. So since my smoothies are taking a back seat, I'm still having, but I'm not having them all day long. I have decided to incorporate within this reset for my metabolism the Weight Watchers program. I haven't done that in years, but I feel like instead of counting macros and pulling myself back into that mindset of can't eat this, can't eat that, really restricting myself and then binging, I'm going to continue incorporating, you know, fruit and all these things, but I do need some form of discipline. So one of my colleagues had said that Weight Watchers in 2022 started some new program. It's called Personal Points. Never heard of it. And I've decided to try it. So I did install the app on my phone, and I'm going to be using that at the same time while I'm finishing out my reset. So this morning I've decided to have real food and save my smoothie for later. So here is what I'm having for breakfast. And then if anyone's interested in how many points this is going to be on Weight Watchers, I will incorporate that into the video so you have an idea of where I'm at. All right, so here we go. Meal number 1. In the bowl here, I have 3 eggs that I scrambled, and I added a little bit of it's by Redmond's. It's called Real Salt, and just a little bit of pepper. I am going to cook up 2 turkey meatballs in the microwave for about a minute. I'm going to chop them up and add them to my eggs. We're going to do a tablespoon, sorry guys, a cup of fresh spinach, and this is about 1/4 of a yellow pepper. I don't know if I'm gonna have anything else as of the moment, so let's start making this little scramble.
Giving up your dreams to your silly demons. We're diamonds in the dust, so why can't you see it? Keep getting under your thick skin, trying out and not, building a nest in your weaknesses. Swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell you that. Oh, don't, no, don't let them get in your head, So don't, please don't let them get in your head.
Here's how the eggs turned out. As you can see, it's nice and scrambled. It's got the turkey meatballs, the peppers, the spinach. And for healthy carb, here's what I have. This was something that I used in phase 1 and 2, the Wasa crisp bread, whole grain style crackers. If you look on the back, guys, they are so rich in fiber, and they're only 30 calories for 1 slice. So I'm gonna do 1 slice with a light laughing cow. This will round out my breakfast. How does that look? So good. I feel so good and energized after I eat like these whole foods. So I'm just hoping that I can continue this. I'm gonna be going to the gym later. I gotta walk the dogs. So we're gonna have a nice full day of activity. And I just wanted to show you, any of you on this program looking to reset your metabolism, get through menopause without a whole heck of a lot of weight gain, this is the way to do it. And I couldn't be happier.
Hey, I try my best to talk to you, tell you about the things I like to do. You know your smile is lighting up the room, up the room. Do you always look as
as you saw, we did get a really good workout in, and then we hit Trader Joe's. And I'm so excited because this is the first time I have gone to Trader Joe's that I can actually buy food, like things that I have never had or wanted to try but never could. So excited. I want to go show you some of the stuff I got. So let's head over to the kitchen. No particular order. We're going to start off with some sliced white mushrooms. I have a really good quiche recipe that I'm going to be making, and I wanted to pick up some mushrooms. Got some salmon. Oh yes, I have always wanted to try this. The white, what are they called? White cheddar corn puffs. A little bit of these. A handful is like 1 point or maybe 2 handfuls. I forget. I scanned it in the app while I was in the store. So, you know, who knows? Maybe just take a little of them to work just to tide me over when I'm feeling hungry, if I am. Still haven't eaten since breakfast time, and we are already after 3 o'clock in the afternoon. This video probably won't go up for a few days, so just bear with me to trying to play catch up. Okay, then we have this. I wanted to try pumpkin cream cheese spread. Some Greek yogurt, Honeycrisp apple cinnamon. The turkey burgers, which I love. So these ombre cherry tomatoes, they looked delicious. Pumpkin yogurt, wanted to try that. 2 packages of the zucchini because that's going to be part of that recipe that I'm doing. Some Harvest Blend herbal tea. Reduced guilt mac and cheese. I love these and I'm excited to have them again. The sweet Italian style chicken sausage, and also this one's my favorite, the sweet apple chicken sausage. You guys know this is a staple. I love these red Argentinian shrimp. Bag of peppers for my omelets. And then I found this, carb savvy tortillas with whole wheat, because that's what Harley says that we should always look for. Turned it over and noticed it's 45 calories, 1.5 grams of fat. Check out the carbs at 9, but the fiber is 6 for dietary, 5 for insoluble. So, I mean, you're at like 3 net carbs for this. So I figured I could make tacos, I could make a sandwich, I could make a breakfast burrito. So exciting! Okay, these are also a staple. Love my mahi burgers. Bag of broccoli. And I am dying to try these with like a few of these on the side of some eggs in the morning with peppers and onions. And then some turkey. These are some things that are not for me. Jess loves these chips and things. So that is his little stash, his and Britt's. And anyway, that is the little Trader Joe's haul. Just made lunch. Here we have 2 of those low carb tortillas that I got from Trader Joe's. Carb savvy. I've got 2 ounces of turkey breast on each tortilla, and this is what I've used. And some fresh spinach and some yellow mustard. And this entire lunch is 4 points on the personal points program. Using it again just to keep myself accountable while transitioning to real food. I mean, this is as healthy as you can get, right? A turkey sandwich with some mustard and incorporating the whole grain. So, as Harley says in the book, we have our whole grain, which is our carb. We have really good fiber in that. We've got our lean protein, some veggie. I mean, this is a complete lunch here. I'm not going to do any snacking or anything. Just these 2 little tortillas. All right, so I'm gonna just tell you that I have made it a point to sit at the table every time I eat instead of, you know, cleaning up after myself and eating at the same time. I think it makes such a big difference. Who's this? Hi, Mom. It makes such a big difference when you can sit down and enjoy your meal and you eat slowly and you take a bite and chew. Don't eat on the go. Don't eat rushing. Take your time, okay? little pro tip there that I'm learning. It's nothing that I've discovered. It's just I'm trying to make an effort. If I decide to have a snack in between this and dinner, you will see what it is, because Harley says to have a little snack in between, but truthfully, guys, this is filling. This is like nothing that I'm used to. So I'm just kind of using his words of wisdom and incorporating it into my lifestyle. So nothing's perfect and we don't have to be. We're just taking cues from our body as to when we're hungry, when we're not, and things like that. So that's what's going on. See you in a while. All right, guys, so we are grilling up some chicken tonight. This is marinated in Italian dressing, and I'm gonna cook it right on the grill. Doesn't that look good? Chicken breast marinating all day since early this morning in Italian, robust Italian dressing. So I just lit the grill. I'm gonna go put it on there and we are gonna start dinner. Here is dinner. Here is grilled chicken. And I made a zucchini quiche. If you want the recipe, put a heart in the comment section. If we have enough of those, I will make the video tutorial for you. But look at that. That big slice, if you're on Weight Watchers, is 3 points. So we've got our fiber and our veggie from the quiche. There's some healthy fat in there as well. And the chicken breast. This is dinner, guys. This is how you do it. This is how you eat real food, kick your metabolism up, and just enjoy life. So I'm at the end of my day and I'm having dessert. Look at that. This is 3/4 cup of fat-free Greek yogurt. We have 1/2 cup of frozen blueberries and 1 teaspoon of ground flax. So again, this is the kind of high fiber, low fat, full of protein meal that we've learned to do in any type of plan where you want your metabolism to get back up there. And you know my history. I'm not used to eating fruit and a lot of the things that you saw, the tortillas and the wasa crackers, those are all new to me. But that's why I said earlier on in the video that I was gonna start tracking it just to see where I'm at without going crazy macro wise. That's why I threw the Weight Watchers app on my phone, because it's not, I'm not gonna be looking like, oh my God, there's carbs, there's this. It's just points. If this goes well over the next few days, I may continue. So here we go. Gonna go eat this and I'm gonna say goodnight for now. Remember, leave a heart comment down below if you wanna see that beautiful quiche recipe that I made. It was so good. I know you'll all love it. So anyway, I hope you all have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.